Sean Smith, and welcome to Domino's discussion forum for the label industry, where we're talking about the impact of digital label finishing and how hybrid or offline finishing is going to be the most suitable for label producers. We have 7 authorities from European label manufacturers discussing the benefits of agility versus productivity benefits, how to optimize their digital label investments, how they can build sustainable businesses going forward, and how they can delight their customers and offer new features and new functions of label manufacture in sustainable ways to maintain profitable businesses, so they can continue the investment in the rapidly changing technology and better serve their customers as technologies change and rapidly develop and come to market.